Why do some people work their whole life and still remain poor, while others, with the same education, become rich? Why does school teach us how to work for money, but never teach us how to make money work for us? And why the rich keep getting richer, while the poor stay poor? Today, you are about to discover the mindset that separates the rich from everyone else. This is the audiobook summary of Rich Dad, Poor Dad, and this knowledge can completely change your financial future. Chapter 1. Two Fathers, Two Mindsets. Robert Kiyosaki had two fathers. One was his real father, highly educated, worked hard, had a good job, but always struggled financially. He was the poor dad. The other was his best friend's father, not highly educated, but extremely rich. He was the rich dad. Both fathers gave advice, but their advice was completely different. Poor dad said, "Go to school, get good grades, find a safe job." Rich dad said, "Learn how money works. Don't work for money. Make money work for you." This difference in mindset changed everything. Chapter 2. The poor work for money. The rich make money work for them. Poor and middle-class people work for money. They wake up, go to job, work hard, get salary, pay bills, and repeat this cycle for life. This is called the rat race. They're controlled by fear. Fear of not having money, and controlled by desire. Desire for more things. So they keep working. But rich people are different. They don't depend only on salary. They build assets. Assets generate money, even when they sleep. This is the secret. Chapter 3. The most important rule. Know the difference between assets and liabilities. This is the most powerful lesson in the book. Rich people buy assets. Poor people buy liabilities. But they think they are assets. Asset means it puts money into your pocket. Liability means it takes money from your pocket. Examples of assets: businesses, investments, rental income, stocks. Examples of liabilities: expensive cars, big houses with loans, luxury items bought on EMI. Poor people buy liabilities to look rich. Rich people buy assets to become rich. This is the difference. Chapter 4. Why education alone does not make you rich. Schools teach academic education, but not financial education. They teach you how to become an employee, not how to become financially free. This is why many highly educated people struggle financially. Financial education is the key. You must learn how money works, how to invest, how to build assets. Without this knowledge, you will work forever. Chapter 5. The rich don't work for money. They work to learn. Poor people work only for salary. Rich people work to learn skills. Skills like sales, communication, business, leadership. These skills make them powerful. Money follows skills, not the other way. The more you learn, the more you earn. Chapter 6. Fear and greed control most people. Fear makes people avoid risk. They stay in safe jobs, even if they hate it. Greed makes people buy expensive things to impress others. Both fear and greed keep people poor. Rich people control their emotions. They think logically, not emotionally. This makes them rich. Chapter 7. The power of financial freedom. Financial freedom means you don't need to work for money. Your assets pay your expenses. You work because you want to, not because you need to. This gives true freedom. Freedom to live life on your terms. Freedom to follow your passion. Freedom to control your time. This is the ultimate goal. Chapter 8. Why most people never become rich. Because they follow the crowd. They seek comfort. They avoid risk. They fear failure. But rich people are different. They take calculated risks. They learn from failure. They keep moving forward. Failure makes them stronger, not weaker. Chapter 9. Start early, start small, but start now. You don't need lots of money to start. Start small. Invest small amounts. Build slowly. Time is your greatest asset. The earlier you start, the richer you become. Waiting is the biggest mistake. Start now. Your mindset determines your wealth. Your income depends on your mindset. If you think like poor, you stay poor. If you think like rich, you become rich. Everything starts in your mind. Change your thinking, and you change your life. Rich people don't work for money. They make money work for them. They focus on assets, not liabilities. They focus on learning, not earning only. They focus on freedom, not comfort. This is the secret of wealth. Not luck, not talent, but mindset. Now you understand why the rich keep getting richer and the poor keep struggling. Financial freedom is not a dream. It is a decision to learn, a decision to act, a decision to change. If you want to master money, master mindset, and master your future, subscribe to Next Audiobook Shorts, because here you will learn the knowledge that can change your life forever.